So this week's App of the Week features QR codes. Now QR codes are quick response codes, which means that you are able to scan the image that is seen on the right and immediately get access to a link or a message or a video or a website, and you're able to scan that image with your iPad or your smartphone. Now quick QR codes are popping up everywhere. So we see them anymore at the coffee store, next door at Wendy's. They're showing up on the back of products. It's a way of fashion now, and it's really a way for people to advertise their products. So on that note, I think it's important for us as teachers to learn how to make a QR code so that we can help advertise our teaching. Now, in order to make a QR code, you can go to a website generator there, and it will generate a QR code for you. So it prompts you and you fill out the information, and then they will give you an image. They'll give you the QR code, and then you can have it set up in your classroom and the kids can scan it. Now step 2 is that you need to scan a QR code. So in order to do that, you download the app. So you go ahead and turn your iPad on, and you go to the iPad store. And when that opens up, you're going to search for it by just typing in QR. And these are the options that'll pop up, and there's several. And a lot of them are free. I recommend not paying anything for it. This one's the best one. It's Scan QR Code and Barcode Reader. And all you do is just wave your iPad over the QR code, and it will sense it. And for me, that QR code was a direct link to my page at Bishop. So it's an easy way for kids to have access to it, and that's what the icon looks like when you purchase that app for free. Now, QR codes in the classroom, in using them, we need to remember that they are useful for when we can't be there to answer our students' questions. So they're great for generating answer keys. Maybe we assign a packet of questions, or we do an activity at the beginning of class, or my math teachers, I know that you have all the odd numbers in the back of the book given with answers. So instead of coming up with answer keys and going over the answers or anything like that, it's important that we do a portion of that, but sometimes we can't be there all the time for the kids. So if you include a QR code on the back of a worksheet or as part of a homework assignment, the kids can go back and check their answers. Also, it's great for projects. I know anymore projects are coming bigger and bulkier, and so some of the information the kids can decide to put them onto a QR code, and all you have to do is scan it as you are grading their project. My language teachers, it's great too because you can record their darling little accents, and rather than spending a lot of class time doing that, they can conduct a project, and you can go home and in the comfort of your pajamas listen to their presentation via QR code. It's great for absent or makeup work. I know that my kids come to me after and they ask if they can snap a picture of the schedule in the back of my class. And that's great, but they're pulling a camera out in the classroom, which makes any teacher nervous. And so instead, if we give them access to a QR code, they can scan it and they can figure out what yesterday's homework was or what they've missed during the week once they've come back from something like a retreat. And the last one, QR codes are very helpful for linking our syllabus and our website. I know especially now when we're in our last grading period, a lot of my parents are asking me, where's a copy of the syllabus, or where is access to my website? And it's great if you throw a QR code on both of those items. And so if they have the syllabus, then they have direct access that will take them to the website, like in the example you saw. Or if they're on the website, then it will take them directly to the syllabus. So it really just streamlines the process for us and gives people immediate answers. Now, you can practice this. If you scan this code, it is a nice preview to the next app of the week, which I think is nothing shy of a magic trick. not only scanning it, but also next week's app. So I hope you enjoyed this app of the week and have fun scanning.